History of periodic table. Hello and welcome to this video on the history of the periodic table. The periodic table is an essential tool for chemists to understand the properties and relationships of elements. But how did it come to be? Let's take a journey through time and explore the fascinating history of the periodic table. Part 1: Early discoveries. The idea of elements dates back to ancient times, where the Greeks proposed the existence of four fundamental elements: earth, air, fire, and water. However, it wasn't until the 18th century that the concept of elements started to take shape. In 1789, Antoine Lavoisier compiled a list of 33 elements, which form the basis of the modern periodic table. Part 2: Classification of elements. Over the next few decades, scientists tried to find ways to classify and organize the growing number of known elements. In 1817, Johann Dobereiner proposed his law of triads, which grouped elements into sets of three based on their properties. However, this system has limitations and could only classify a few elements. In 1862, French geologist Alexandre-Émile Bigeaire de Chancourtis created a cylindrical periodic table, which he called the telluric helix. He arranged the elements by increasing atomic weight around a cylinder, which resulted in a recurring pattern of similar properties. Part 3: The modern periodic table. The person most commonly associated with the modern periodic table is Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev. In 1869, Mendeleev arranged the known elements in a table according to their atomic weights and properties. He left gaps where he predicted unknown elements would be found, and he even went as far as predicting the properties of these elements. When these elements were later discovered, they were found to have the properties that Mendeleev had predicted. In the years following Mendeleev's work, other scientists made significant contributions to the periodic table's development. In 1913, Henry Moseley showed that the properties of elements varied according to their atomic number, not their atomic weight. This discovery led to the modern layout of the periodic table. Conclusion. In conclusion, the history of the periodic table is a story of discovery, collaboration, and innovation. It's a testament to human curiosity and the scientific method, which has allowed us to understand the fundamental building blocks of our universe. Today, the periodic table is still an essential tool for chemists, and it continues to evolve as we discover new elements and properties. Thanks for viewing the video. Please subscribe to our channel.